Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable printer color management in Adobe PDF exports, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Adobe application, such as Photoshop or Illustrator. Navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Select Print from the drop-down menu. In the Print dialog box, locate and click on the Printer drop-down menu. Choose your desired printer from the list. Look for the Color Management section within the Print settings. Click on the Color Handling drop-down menu. Select None to disable the printer's color management. If you are using Illustrator, you may need to select Document or Photoshop manages colors instead. Next, find the Print Settings or Printer Options button and click on it. This will open the Printer Driver Properties dialog. Look for the Color Management settings in this window, often labeled as Color or Color Management tab. Select No Color Adjustment or a similar option based on your printer driver. Apply these changes and return to the main print dialog. Now, proceed to adjust any other print settings as needed. Once satisfied with your settings, click Print to send your document to the printer. To export directly to PDF, go back to the File menu. Select Save As or Save a Copy depending on your version of the software. Choose Adobe PDF from the Format options. In the PDF Options dialog, click on the Output tab. Under Color, select No Color Conversion if available. Finalize any other PDF settings you wish to adjust. Once completed, click Save to create your PDF file. You have now successfully disabled printer color management in Adobe PDF exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.